Yan, nasa last na tayo ng model ng Q-Wing, which is yung MM1 with finite source. So, Amira, the branch manager of BPI, and she wants to improve the service of the bank's 5 existing ATM. She observed that on the average ATM breaks down every 50 hours and take 10 hours to repair by the bank's loan technician. The figures are summarized in the next slide. What is the breakdown rate of an ATM? What is the service rate of the technician? What is the probability that there are no repairs going on? How many ATMs are at the technician's schedule at any given time? How much time does an ATM spend waiting to be repaired, and how much time does an ATM spend at the technician's schedule? What is the effective breakdown rate, and what is the probability that a technician is busy? So meron tayong M na 1, N na 5, X na 50, and Y na 10. So, para kunin yung lambda, gagawin natin is 1 over x equals to 1 over 50 is equals to 0.02. Then para sa mu is 1 over y is equals to 1 over 10 is equals to 0.1. So para sa probability that there's no client in the teller or the ATM is gagamitin natin yung MNXY, or titingnan natin yung sa table na binigay ni sir. So ipapakita ko natin dyan. So as you can see, kita natin na meron tayong mali pala yung dapat pala ano to, lambda tsaka mu, which is dito is 0.02 and 0.1. Kasi yung titignan natin, nakikita natin na meron tayong lambda 0.01 dito sa may intersection, and dun sa intersection ng 0.01 and 0.02 and 0.01, ang lalabas makita natin is 0.2849 or 28.49% probability na walang client sa ATM. So solve natin yan. LQ is equals to N minus lambda plus mu over lambda. So times 1 minus PO. So substitute natin yung mga values. Equals sa 0.7094. Yan. Then next is yung L. So LQ plus 1 minus PO. Substitute ng values. Lalabas is 1.425. Next is W is equals to WQ plus 1 over mu. Substitute natin yung values. Lalabas is 19.9203. Then para sa ating R, so lambda times N minus L is equals to 0.0715. Then yung P is R over mu is equals to 0.0715 over 0.1 is equals to 71.5. So Amira, the branch manager, knows that with the opportunity cost of an ATM which is not functioning is high, she was able to determine the labor cost of the technician as well as the opportunity cost of an ATM. While waiting to be repaired, so how much is the total cost per shift? So yeah, TS per hour is 1 times 10 is equals to 10. Tapos 10 times 8 is 80. CW per hour 60 times CW times L is 60 times 1.425 equals to 84.75. CW per shift, so times na natin sa 8 yung TS TW per hour, lalabas is 683.76. Yung TC per hour, total cost, add natin lahat ng per hour, lalabas 95.47. Then dito, TC per shift, add natin lahat ng shift, lalabas is 763.76. So in conclusion, the total service cost is low at $80 per shift. Amira should expect a higher total cost of 763.76 because of the opportunity loss of 683.76. So that's all. Goodbye.